This has nettle, clover, plantain, wild onions. I don't know. That is violets. I'm not sure. Okay, what are these?
These are sunshine sunflower seeds.
Oh.
2 of them. These are green beans right there.
Okay. Four rosemaries. So there's nothing right here? Okay, where I'm at. Oh, that's cool how you did the cilantro, babe.
Uh-huh.
And then we got potatoes, obviously. Those are nice looking, sweetie. I like that. Last year's spearmint. And those two are sunflowers. 4 rosemary with 4 tomatoes. I like how the stakes are. Huh. What'd you say about they don't spray, baby? The clouds don't look real, babe. Not that they are.
They don't look real.
To me. Oh. Look. Two in one day, no spray, babe. Must be up for the holiday. Kind of like weird not spraying anymore. But obviously some do.